Hello viewers, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Wherever you are watching me today, my name is Dr. Abizabolade, the son of Arabide. If today is your first time here, everything I do here is to share spiritual tips. The one that I want to share with you people today is how to treat hiccup. Or you know someone that have it. This is the remedy of hiccup. If you find this video very interesting, don't forget to share this program. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Don't forget to share this program. Any day, anytime I post video like this, you are free to go back to my previous videos. Help your spiritual life. Please subscribe. If you don't understand, you are free to call my number. 08039336675, or my WhatsApp number is 08053133142. That is my WhatsApp number. Hiccup can kill easily. If you don't act fast, hiccup can kill easily. All you don't have, do this thing and keep it inside your room. You have hiccup, or you know someone that have it, this is the remedy. Go and look for jute leaf, fresh one. We call it ewedu, Oyibo call it jute leaf. Go and look for that leaf, and sandpaper leaf, jute leaf and sandpaper leaf. Go and look for it. Then look for native pots. Pack these items inside native pot, burn it. Don't let it turn to ashes. Let it turn to charcoal. If you are watching this program, please don't forget to share this program. Don't forget to like it. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Please share this program. Don't keep this information to yourself. Please don't keep this information to yourself. Tell someone to tell someone. It will save someone's life. I just got to beg you, please. Let's help ourselves. Let this video go viral, please. That's what I want. Let's help ourselves. Hiccup can kill. If guys not taking, hiccup can kill easily. If you don't act fast, burn it, grind it. Then look for original honey, pure honey. Pour this powder inside original honey. This powder, pour it inside original honey, pure honey. Then mix it very well. If you have hiccup, just lick it anytime, any day. This work is confirmed work. Believe me, if you do this thing, the result will shock you. Believe me. Jute leaf and sandpaper leaf, only jute leaf and sandpaper leaf. Burn it together. Then look for original honey. Pour this powder inside original honey. Lick it anytime, any day. That is it. If you are interested in our products, we have all kind of apps such as infection powder, jedi powder, hemorrhoid, hypertension, and so on and so forth. Wherever you are, you will receive your package. You can also follow me on my Facebook page, Dr. Abizabolade TV. Follow me on TikTok. You can follow me on IG, Dr. Abizabolade. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.